and welcome to Axel's Garage. We're out here with Ginger. Those of you who remember Ginger, about a year ago, our rebuilt transmission took a dump somewhere near Charlottesville, Virginia, and it's been a solid year trying to get this thing back reliable. We just got it back from a training shop with a clean bill of health and a 2-year, 24,000-mile warranty. So hopefully it lasts. But as we were using it towards the end there, you know the struts, the lift struts on the tailgate? Well, we were putting it up, and if we held it up, it would stay up for a couple seconds, and then, you know, come back down. This one here, you open it, it's pretty much flopping. So what'll happen is when one goes, it'll start, you know, coming down. If you don't get it up all the way, it'll come down, and then sometimes you can get it up all the way and it might stay for a little bit, or it might not, and it might come back down as that second one goes also. Real easy, quick fix. Shouldn't cost you more than $20 or $30 depending on where you get the struts from, and hopefully basic tools. So what we have are strong arm gas charge lift supports. These, for this particular vehicle, D as in David 4185. There's your part number. I'll link them in the description below. We paid for these with our own shekels because YouTube, they ain't paying too good these days. The small YouTube guys like me ain't making much money off of YouTube anymore at all. YouTube used to at least sort of support my habit, and I could use the money that I got from YouTube to buy parts. Now I'm paying for parts out of my own pocket, and YouTube is barely paying at all. Therefore, today's video is sponsored by 4Q Coffee. 4Q is real local New York coffee, and it's New York coffee with attitude. They have great blends of coffee in both K-Cups and ground. We here especially like their regular blend, which is marketed as an all-day bold coffee. It's not like other bold coffees that often taste bitter and burnt. Do you ever drink a strong bold coffee and by the second cup it's starting to churn up your gut and you're looking for the nearest bathroom in a sweaty fury? Not with 4Q. Their regular blend coffee is bold and you can enjoy it all day long. The best part is they are a first responder supporter, and they have some outrageous swag on their website. Check out 4Q Coffee in the link below and use code AXELS at checkout for a 10% discount. Support those who support us. Now back to the video. So what I brought out here to do this job is a little pair of vice grips, a pair of, what do you call these? You know, we got a video on that. And then a small flat blade screwdriver. I will close the tailgate. Those lift struts actually work pretty good. So the reason why I brought the vice grips out, and I'll show you why, is while you're doing one lift support will hold the glass up. It'll wear out in short time if you don't replace them both when they're bad. But what I'll do is I'll lift up the tailgate here, lift up the glass, and I'll use the vice grips to hold open one side while I work on the other side. So with the lift support open, I'm just going to take the vice grips and just grab them around the rod so that the fatter part of the strut assembly can't slide down, and that will hold open my glass so I could work on the other side. So you'll see right on the nub here there's a metal band. You just pop your screwdriver into that metal band and get it out. Once you get that metal band all the way out, some of them come completely out, some of them will stay captured in it, but all you need is out that far and it'll pop right off of the nub that it's on. Up here, same thing. This one's pretty rusty, but same thing, you pull that metal band out, and once you get it out, it'll pop right off of the nub there. So your new lift support, you could put some lube on there if you really wanted to. It's really not 100% necessary. You don't have to pull the band out with the new one. It's just going to snap in. So you're just going to put it on, grab your thumb, snap it in, and it's in there. Then on the bottom, same thing. Just turn it to orient it. You're gonna have to push it up to get it onto the thing and pop it in. Once you got this one popped in, now you can take your vice grip off. Now on this side, I'll undo my vice grip. The one will hold it. Then I can go in the bag, get my other one out. Same thing. The gas charged end you want to be up just like it was originally. Just like that. And the same thing, we just pop that band off and out of the way. This one's a little tougher to get in there. Let me try going in from the top. There we go, that one went nice and easy. And again, same thing. Just give it a little press, it's on. Down over here, you'll just have to turn it with your hand to line it up. Snaps in, and it's in place. Nice and tight. Goes up by itself. No more falling and banging on my head. Hope you enjoyed the quick video on how to replace your lift supports for your rear glass on your Suburban, Tahoe, Yukon, Yukon XL, Escalade, all those guys, and probably other makes and models of vehicles as well. We'll link everything we used in the description below. And as always, thanks for watching.